Welcome back, everybody. I've been using this Blackstone 36-inch Pro Series griddle for 2 years, but we have an upgrade today. Say hello to the completely redesigned 2024 Blackstone 36-inch Pro Series griddle. I'll do my best to make the stainless look good. We have a lot of snow out here. Blackstone completely redesigned the 36-inch Pro Series this year. It is beautiful. If you haven't noticed already, we have lots of stainless steel. Completely new hood design. You can see we have a new handle. It's straight across. So we have the matte black on the ends, the stainless in the middle, and big differences up on top. Of course, this is the brand new Blackstone Omnivore griddle plate. There's nothing like it in the industry. I've been cooking on the new Omnivore plate for the last 6 months. Walmart rolled it out last summer with the basic 36-inch griddle. A couple of the big differences: even heat distribution. All parts of the griddle completely distribute the heat. I'm actually very impressed. Number 2, smaller gas orifices. So it actually uses less gas, but it traps the heat in. Built-in wind guards. And if you look down here, you can see that we have a completely redesigned griddle plate. That's what's new up top. Everything looks beautiful. Down below, everything is completely redesigned. And check this out. We have a slide-out propane shelf. No more having to break your neck reaching inside. You could just put your propane canister in and boom. Accessory shelves are now on the right. You can see we have a tall one over here. You can put anything you want in there. And of course, one on top as well. Mine are empty. I need to get some stuff in there. If that's not enough, there's also a really cool vertical shelf over here. You could put very tall cutting boards in there. You can put whatever you want. Long spatulas, all kinds of storage. You see we have a new design on the control knobs. Igniter button is now in the middle, same AA battery design. The side shelves are now stainless steel. I'm personally pumped up about that. The right side, of course, has the cutting board. You can throw your trash down through there right into your 13-gallon trash bag, which hangs right there. And we have new tool peg designs, 3 on each side. You can hang your Blackstone accessories there. Similar on the left side with the 3 tool pegs, but we also have a magnetic tool strip over here as well. And both side shelves just pop and fold down if you need to do some storage. And Blackstone still has that paper towel roll holder that you can lock into place as well. I'm gonna crawl down here in the snow to show you that now we have locking casters on all 4 legs of the Pro Series. So that's another upgrade. And one more thing, look at this. They still have my photo on the side shelf. So cool. I could have waited till April when it was warm, but here I am in mid-January out on the Colorado Front Range in a snowstorm because I wanted to show you the brand new Blackstone 36-inch Pro Series. These are being stocked in Walmart supercenters as I speak, and they'll also be available at walmart.com soon. Stay tuned. I'm told there's going to be a lot of brand new things this year with Blackstone at Walmart, so very excited about that, friends. I appreciate you coming along. Let me know down below which Blackstone griddle you have. I know I have a lot of Blackstone griddlers that watch me here on my channel, so let me know what Blackstone you have or which one you're thinking about buying in the future. So far, very impressed with the brand new redesigned Pro Series, so thanks for watching. Hey, get over there if you haven't already. Watch my weekly show. Let's give it a try on Blackstone social media. Time to get inside. Until next time, this is Todd. Praise the Lord and pass the food from the Blackstone griddle, of course. I could have waited till April, but I'm out here in a Colorado snowstorm mid-January because I wanted to show you the brand new Blackstone Pro Series. You're going to be seeing me cooking on this quite a bit this year. It's available. Every time I try to get a word in, my bear chime keeps chiming in.